Ko Reweti Arapere Ngāti ahau, ko tongariro te maunga, ko te tikanga ki tokorangi te marae, ko Ngāti Pikiahu Waiwai, ko Ngāti Turumākina ngā hapu. Kia ora, my name is Reweti Ngāti Arapere. I hail from the mighty Manawatu Rangi TK area. My iwi affiliations are Ngāti Raukawa and Ngāti Tūwharetoa. Ever since I could hold a pencil, I've been drawing. So a lot of kids, they might play sports or be into video games. This was my video game, was just the old pen or whatever sharp object that could create a mark. So with He Paki Taonga, I tried to match the artwork to the concept, but in my own style. I try and get myself in that space, think about what climate, what the environment looked like, what some of the expressions that I'm having to illustrate might feel and even sound like, and just try and even taste what the moment, what was in the moment, and bring some emotion to the story. I talk a lot with my wife. She'll ball bounce ideas. She's an artist as well. Maybe I might show my kids. You've got a 5 and a 3-year-old boy and a girl. They love my artwork, so that always helps too. There's a lot of families will see being a lawyer or a doctor very important, but I just imagine what the world would look like without art. And it makes me excited to be part of the visual art forum where we're contributing to how we frame the world.